Hey, I'm Raymond Camden, API Evangelist for Foxit, and I'd like to show you the PDF Services APIs. These APIs cover a wide range of activities that you can do with your documents, from converting Office files to PDFs or PDFs to Office formats, splitting, merging, extracting, and so forth. Best of all of these APIs follow a similar, easy to use flow. I'm going to show with one example, converting a Word document to PDF so you can see how easy it is. My code will be in Python, but our REST APIs can be used by any language you prefer. Let's get into it. So I'm going to show you my little Python script here, and I've taken most of that flow and put it into simple utility methods. At the end of my script, you could see where I'm using those methods. So I begin by uploading a Word document, and we could take a quick look at that. It's just some basic lorem ipsum text with images. I upload that. That gives me a document ID back. I then call the convert to PDF endpoint with that document. That gives me a task ID. I then run a method that's basically going to check how that task is going, and it's going to check it every second or so. You'll see in a second here. And then when it's done, it's going to download the result as a PDF. If we get into these methods here, you can see they're all relatively simple, and this is all covered in our REST API docs. So uploading a document, I basically take the binary data, send it to the endpoint, and again, that's returning a document ID. The convert to PDF, there's one more endpoint, PDF from Word. In this case, the API is relatively simple. It just needs to know the document ID that I uploaded. Again, that returns a task. And then what we could do is have a method that's essentially going to loop over and call and ask, how is that job going? On failure, I'm going to throw an error. And when it's good, I'm going to return. Outside of that, I'm going to sleep for 5 seconds between calls. Normally, these API calls are really, really quick, so you shouldn't need to worry about this running too long. Finally, the download result, one more endpoint. I'm passing the ID of the document that was generated by the convert to PDF endpoint, and I'm just saving that to my file system. And if I run this, you will see it's going to upload the document. There we go. It's going to kick off that task. The task is running and finished pretty much immediately, and it saved the result to a PDF. Right. That's pretty much it. And all the other endpoints are going to follow really, really similar flow. So let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, ask on our forums.